We are here today to show you our flagship Nighthawk Pro Gaming Wi-Fi 6 router, the XR1000. The XR1000 features the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology with DumaOS 3.0, which is capable of reducing ping rates by up to 93%. The box shows you all of the new and key features of XR1000 that deliver an optimized gaming experience, including geofencing and bandwidth allocation. The back and sides of the box explain more about Wi-Fi 6, DumaOS, and NETGEAR Armor, which keeps your network safe as you game, stream, and more. Listed on the bottom of the box are the tech specs for XR1000. As you can see, this is a Wi-Fi 6 AX5400 with 160 MHz channel support and 5 gigabit Ethernet ports. Now, let's take a look at what's in the box. When you open the box, you'll first find the Quick Start Guide with a QR code that will instruct you to download the Nighthawk app. This will guide you through the installation of the router later on. Next, carefully take out the router. Once you've done so, you'll see a box of accessories at the bottom of the box. This includes 4 antennas, a power adapter for your router, and an Ethernet cable, which you'll use to plug into your current internet service provider device, like a cable modem in your home. Install the antennas by following the antenna labels printed on both antennas and router. On the back of the XR1000, you'll find 5 gigabit Ethernet ports and a power port. These are for your power adapter and Ethernet cable, which you'll plug into the device you use to connect to internet, like a cable modem from your service provider. Now that we've unboxed the XR1000, let's briefly walk through this easy setup with the NETGEAR Nighthawk app, which is available in the Play Store and App Store. Make sure that you have downloaded the Nighthawk app on your mobile iOS or Android device, and that all your XR1000 contents have been removed from the packaging. Plug in one end of the included Ethernet cable into the yellow port labeled Internet. Then, plug in the other end into one of the Internet LAN ports of your ISP device. The power adapter will plug into the power port on the back of the XR1000. Then plug in the power brick to power up your router. Once your router's LED light turns on, you can follow the step-by-step setup process using the Nighthawk app. After opening the app, create an account or log in to move forward with the setup process. If your router detects a new available firmware, we recommend that you update to the latest firmware so your XR1000 gaming system will have the latest security and performance fixes. The setup of your XR1000 is now complete. Learn more about your Wi-Fi 6 Pro gaming device at netgear.com/XR1000. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.